Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on and showing you demonstration, lucky things, on the new Naked palette from Urban Decay. And this is the Naked Cherry palette, which is here. And if ever there was a palette for me, this is it. Burgundies, chocolate, it is absolutely gorgeous and it is so high-end. The formulations are absolutely beautiful. And I love it. In fact, the formulations I think are better than the other series that have come before. They're just so easy and creamy and beautiful. Now these, as you can see here, you're really going to need to be a fan of burgundies, which I am. I think they look great. They look great on all eyes. I'm just a really big fan of it. You get the brush, which is, it's okay. It's not a Goss brush, but what can you do? You've got a few matte shades, actually quite a few matte shades, and the shimmer shades are absolutely exquisitely creamy and metallic. And the best thing is that they don't crease. And I'm not talking about whether you use an eyeshadow primer. As long as you prep your eyelids, foundation, concealer, these things aren't going to powder. These things aren't going to crease. And it's just a beautiful palette. You get in here, come on. You get 1.1 grams times 12 for the eyeshadows. So let's do a little look. We'll just slap something on. You're going to see it in record time. There you go. Quick, simple, because I speeded it up. Now to me, no look like this is complete without rimming the inner rim of the eye, because I just think it's so beautiful. I think this looks great with a sort of a chocolate pencil. So I'm just going to go in and just do the inner waterline. Now, doing the waterline can shrink the eye a bit, but I think no look is complete without kohl on the inner eye. I think it looks so beautiful and it's just so sexy to see that sort of kohl look on the eye. But there you go, that's a quick look of what you can do with the palette. Now I obviously use first shade, as you saw on screen, to blend all over. Then I used this shade here and that shade, and I put that in the center. I mean, that's it, but you can create whatever looks you want, but this is me. The ironic thing is, I think people think of me as very, very much sort of very, very natural sort of foundations and things like that, which is very true. But this, what you see here on the eye, this is my idea of an eye. This is the eye look that I tend to favor, regardless of whether you're going out for a big night or just picking the kids up from school. I love this kind of eye look where the eyes are the absolute focus. I've always been really, really heavily kohl rimmed eyes. That smoky look and a nice nude lip. Red lips, they rarely exist in my world, but I love it. There you go. Absolutely bloody amazing, amazing palette. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.